Hi there! In this video, you'll learn how to introduce yourself in Danish. Hej, jeg hedder Vic. Hvad hedder du? Hvor gammel er du? Hi. What I just said is a small conversation, basically the first conversation you probably have in Danish, according to textbooks. It goes like this. Hej means hi. Jeg hedder Vic. Jeg hedder Vic. My name is Vic. Hedder is the verb used in Danish to talk about what somebody's name is. They don't just say, my name is, they say, jeg hedder. And hedder is basically a reflexive verb, if that makes sense. It means, I call myself and I'm called. I'm called this. Jeg hedder Vic. Pay attention to the vowel you make, because hedder is the verb we need, and hedder, which sounds very similar, and the way it's spelled is similar to the verb we need, but the meaning is different. Hedder means I'm called, my name is, and hader means to hate. You don't say that you hate somebody the first time you meet a person. That won't make for a good first impression. Which is it? Hader or hiller? Hiller. That's right, it's hiller. The next thing is, hvor gammel er du? Hvor gammel er du? And this means, how old are you? Hvor gammel er du? How you reply to this may be a little bit complicated. I say, jeg er 21 år gammel, which means I'm 21 years old. But notice the word we use for 21. It is not 21, it is 1 and 20. 21. Jeg er 21 år gammel. We'll cover counting some other time. Just remember, every number which comes after 20, which is 20, is going to precede 20. 1 and 20, 2 and 20, and so on. 1 and 30, 1 and 50, you name it. The last thing you say is similar to the first thing you said. It is hi, which is pretty self-explanatory. That's it for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more.